this makeup look. This is the makeup look that I normally do when I'm in school. Honestly, it's a lot to go to school, but like I just feel like it because I can. I was so happy because one day this girl in lunch, she was like, I was walking by her and she said, "Yo, that thing is great eyebrows." And I was like, I didn't think it was really that. I kept walking. She was like, and then the girl was happy and was like, "Yeah, nice eyebrows." And I started like, I'm crying inside, but like, I was like, "Thank you." And I walked in, I was so happy. I was really understand. You know how much time and torture I dedicated to these eyebrows? Like, you don't understand. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below to tell me what you guys want to see in my videos coming up. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. The first thing I do is put on this headband so it can cover my hair. The second thing that I do before I start wet both my beauty blenders. Y'all know if you don't have the right angle, you look like you have a double chin when you don't. So after I wet my beauty blenders, I start with my color correcting palette. First thing that I do is use the green one to go around my nose and around my mouth. After I do the green, I use purple to brighten my face. So I put 4 dots on my forehead and 3 going down my nose, around my cheek area, and on my chin.
이제 달려야지 뭘 어떡해 난 철없어 겁없어 man Middle finger up F you pay me 90s baby I pump up the jam 달려봐 오빠야 Lambo 오늘은 너와 나 젊음을 gamble 감히 난 막지마 혹시나 누가 날 막아도 I'ma go brrr Rambo 네 손이 내 허리를 감싸고도 Front to my back 내 몸매는 특별해 네 눈빛은 I know you wanna touch Like touch
So in the summer, Estee Lauder. I use Estee Lauder's Invisible Fluid makeup in hazelnut, and I use that in the summer because I get darker. But in like fall and winter time around there, I get lighter, and I use Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 225, the normal dry one.
Hey, welcome to my world, let's do this. 이슈 제조기라 불렀어 어디 가도 분위기가 higher. 비행기 밖은 너무 시끄러워 과열.
내 문은 everybody knows it. 하지만 아직 배불러 hungry. 어떤 일을 do 기죽지 않아. 이거는 단어로 표현하기. 나 한 번 뜨면 게임 다 정리돼. 원하는 거 전부 다 갖게 돼. 불타는 법을 알아 난 오늘도 할 일에 How to carry 해. Let's fuck and fuck and fly again. I got this right. 내일 일은 걱정 마. 오늘은 내가 오직 널 How to carry 해. How to carry 해. Let it go now. 흔들어 다 흔들어 다 나. 없어진 적이 없어 매번 그 장을 봐 패션이 넘쳐 거품이 살짝 긴 우린 노는 데는 안 지는 실력 있는 갬블러 분위기 패스워드 아이디는 저장 많은 사람 오늘도 날 불러 무대가 끝나고 다시 비행기로 구름보다 편한 침대가 없어 나 한 번 뜨면 게임 다 정리돼 원하는 거 전부 다 갖게 돼 불타는 법을 알아 난 오늘도 할 일에 하루 캐리해 Let's fly and fly and fly again I got this right 내일 일은 걱정 마 오늘은 내가 오직 널 hard carry해 hard carry해 Let it flow let it flow now 흔들었다 흔들었다 hard carry해 hard carry해 Let it flow let it flow now 흔들었다 흔들었다 hard carry해
I'm just gonna talk but I left a poll on Twitter and I asked people what videos I should make, and I'm gonna make a top 10 memes video, and I'm making a reaction video to Boy Meets Evil. I still haven't watched it. I've been so sick lately, like yesterday. I couldn't breathe through like one mouthful, and it was okay. Like I kept like going on and whatever. But then I woke up this morning. I had like a semi-fever, and then after that, I stayed home because I felt so sick. After that, I just like yesterday. Like I hadn't been doing anything all day. I should eat it.
Okay, so I just noticed that this has no audio, so I'm just gonna voice over. Like the social medias are Judafocus and Pumpkin Spice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. I'll be updating soon.